How to create an audio visualizer in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a music to my timeline. Go to Effects panel and click on Effects. Drag a Fusion composition in timeline and adjust its size to match to the music. Move the play head above the composition, select it, and open the Fusion page. Add a background node and connect it to Media Out. Add another background node and connect its output to the output of background 1 to create a merge node. Select it and set its color to a color you like. While it's selected, click on Rectangle Mask to add a mask to it. Select the mask, increase corner radius to 1, and decrease width and height to have a narrow rectangle. Now select the background node and press Shift plus space. Search for duplicate and add it. Set copies to 10, time offset to 0.4 so copies get animated with delay, and increase center X just a bit. Select rectangle node and reposition it to the center. Right-click on the height property and choose Modify with MIDI extractor. Now the Modifiers tab is enabled and here we need a MIDI file of our music. In your browser search for Convert Wave to MIDI and go to this bare file converter. Drag your music here to upload it, then click on Convert button and download the MIDI file. Drag the MIDI file you downloaded to MIDI file input box. Now the height of rectangles changes with music. Set Combine Events to Sum, and decrease Result Scale. For a different result, we can select the duplicate node and change time offset value. Now go back to the Edit page, select both layers and link them.